Hi guys, this is Chris again. How are y'all doing? Today I am bringing you a finished journal. It is from Zurn's May Challenge Kit, which is in Printables for your junk journaling with TLC. And this kit is called the Owl and the Tulip. And I'll put the links below. It's an awesome kit. I just love it. So this is the front cover. And I made this cool little closure that can be expanded. And it is tied on the outside, which is really cool. And this elastic band closure is so cool. It's the first time I've done it, and I just love it. So let's jump right in. So I like how she added "This book belongs to," and then this front page I put on vellum. And with this kit, she included instructions of how to put the pages because this kit is a story. It's not your typical junk journal. It is a story about the owl and the tulip. So this first page was supposed to be turned the other way, but I chose to print it on vellum because the coloring is just beautiful on this first page. So I flipped it this way so that we see it and there's nothing to impede it. And then we come in here, and she has added so many little embellishments to this kit that I don't think I was able to use every single one of them. And my kit is still, my book is still a big one. Coffee dyed paper is on the back of everything, and I've stitched most of everything. That's just me. Did not stitch the jars. I have a plan for the journal because I have an extremely close friend who's like a mother to me that just loves owls, and she loves the things that I make. So this will most likely go to her because I know she'll cherish it and she'll love it. So why have it sitting on my shelf when I know somebody's going to just enjoy this story? So here is, the first card where the story begins, and it's one bright spring day, an owl stumbled upon a lone tulip. What in the world is this, he wondered. How curious, he thought. It's really quite beautiful. He cautiously examined it and was struck by its vibrant colors and the way it gently swayed in the wind. And then here we have a belly band. And the images are just so beautiful. A little journaling card. And there's writing obviously behind there. For many days thereafter, the owl returned to the tulip, growing more attached as time went by. Is this what it means to be friends, he wondered. This story is just so freaking cute. I just love it. So look at these images. These two images are gorgeous. And then I did a top tuck with the stamp here. And here's another image. And more writing, of course. And I put lace behind this one. As his affinity grew, he became possessive and this wondrous treasure he had found. Here's another belly band. I like these journaling cards. You have the front and back. And I just love this. I didn't want to put anything there. The tulip returned his affection, and from there on out, the two did everything together. And I left this one blank for writing. I may come back and add a flip out page. I didn't think of doing that, but I do have a couple more images left. So these are beautiful cards. and the pocket here with the postcard printed out quite large, and I used that in the back. So I resized them and made them smaller. So, and that's the good thing. You can resize her stuff, and it still looks beautiful. So here is a top tuck, and I didn't put anything there because I just love the image going with the story. They found creative and engaging ways to play together. When the owl adorned himself with the soft petals, all the world could see the radiance of their friendship. So I didn't put anything there. I kind of left it to her. But I'll probably come back and add more to the journal. So here I did the belly bands on the sides, so that both pages are somewhat equal, and I love these tags. And then here is an envelope, and I added some coffee dyed paper to that, and I'll probably stick a little note in there for her, and it just latches right on onto that. So I thought that was kind of a cool idea. And then number 7, when the time came for the owl to start a family, the tulip offered to be a safe space for that new life that to grow. Can't read this morning. And here I did another belly band, and then these are cool images. They have different owls on them, and again the coffee dyed. Soon after, the baby owls emerged into the world. Whenever they needed it, they found comfort and rest in the folds of the tulips. Look at the eggs in the tulip and the little baby owl back there. And then tuck here, and I just put one of the big stamps. And the stamps were cool. They were big stamps, and I also sized them down to small ones like this as well. So I had 2 different sizes of them, and I have a stamp. You can see it here, the scissors for the stamp, and it cut it beautifully on these small stamps. And it did a good job on these until I added the coffee dyed paper, and I had already done the stamp. So that's why it looks like that. So for next time, add the coffee dyed paper and then use the scissors. So here's the big postcard, and I love it. Oops. I love this big size. So much can fit in here in this pocket. These are expandable pockets, the way that she made them. And then there's another top tuck. Occasionally on their excursions, the little owls would come across a tulip bud. They would gaze with warmth and familiarity. It's so cute. Because they were surrounded by love, love is all they saw, and that love flourished, brightening the world forevermore. Is that not cute? So here I have back side of an envelope. Here's the front side, and I put coffee dyed paper in it. And here's a tag, and I used one of the, now I done forgot their name, but the button that has the thing sticking out on the back side, and I can't think of the name of the button, with this. So I have that up so that the book closes, and just have it latched on with the envelope. And I need to do a hidden paper clip, I know, with the small little stamps that I have over there. So there's that page. It's a blank page. That envelope is just so bright. So here's a pocket. And again, I love these cards. I think everything about this I love. And look at that. It's so cute. And then here's the back. This is the back side of the vellum. Another pocket with a couple of cards similar to those, and then the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this kit. This was a fun kit. So pretty, so vibrant, and I love the difference where it was made into a story. So I'll put the links below, but you can go to Printables for your Junk Journaling with TLC Facebook group, and there you'll see it. It's a May challenge. I think it ends this weekend, but I'm not sure. But I'll link everything below for you if you want to go get it. Her kits are cheap. You can get the kit and then get the add-on kit. And if you do the challenge, she gives you extra goodies. So, you know, it's a really good deal for what you get out of it. For definite sure. And like I said, I did not use everything that came in the kit. And here's a whole bunch. These I did not fussy cut. My fingers would not let me do it. I have problems with my hand, so I did not do it. And then all of these are extras. And like I said, I resized some of them. So I have a little more extras than you know. But look at that. I may go back and change some things up, some new things that I learned watching, you know, what other people did. But here's the tags. I resized. They're small ones, and I really didn't see a place to use them in here. But yeah, there you go. You can't beat all of that for the price of the kit. So go check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks, guys.